y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zaria K. If you are new, welcome. If you are old, welcome back. Your girl is here to stay. That's what I said in my last 5 videos. So let's hope I am here to stay. As you can tell by today's title, we are talking about wide feet edition shoes. Like myself, I wear a size 10. My feet are flat, my feet are wide, my feet are not the cutest. My toes are long. Okay, I've heard it all, you know, so it's kind of hard for me to find shoes, yet alone cute shoes, because as you know, typically females with smaller feet, narrow feet, they have like all the cutest shoes, and we're stuck wearing some work boots. Like, what are we gonna do with that? No. So I recently bought shoes off of Ego, 5 pairs to be exact. The shoes I have purchased are size 11. So they don't do halves either, not to my knowledge, especially when I had checked. I would have ordered a 10.5, but I ordered an 11, so we'll see if that is good for me. I did open the package, but I did not try these shoes on. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the video. I'm done rambling on. I do hope you guys enjoy the video, so let's get started. All right, so this is the package here. It comes like this. As you see, I opened it here, so I did open it. This is what we have inside. Got like 5 pairs of shoes inside, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you all what they look like. Starting with this first pair, we have a nude sandal, rouged at the top. UK 9, but this is really a size 11. So like I said in the beginning, I ordered a size up because 1, I don't want my feet hanging out in the bottom. 2, typically when it comes to sandals, I always go a size up because my feet does hang at the bottom, like my heel. And then I wasn't for sure if I should order a 10 because I was just really skeptical. It's my first time ordering shoes online, and I didn't want anything too small and I'd be mad. So I ordered a size up in sandals as well as my heels. So we have these here, super cute. I did purchase the same shoe in the color white. Don't know if y'all can see that. In the color white, I figured it was, you know, really cute. Same size, same 11, UK 9, US 11. There we go. Figured, you know, might as well get different colors. I mean, they did have other shoes, like other sandals, but I just went with those. I was like, why not? Next, we have these black heels, super cute, size 11. Let me take this crap off. Do y'all think this stay? I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it. I don't want to mess nothing up. But this has straps. Oh, this is what this looks like. I'm so excited. I'm going to, of course, like I said, I'm going to try these on to see what they look like. I'm kind of skeptical about this here because I'm not for sure if it would stretch, yet alone fit across the width of my feet, but we would most definitely see. But these are cute. Look at that. Look at that. Period. Somebody gonna take me out on a date. I'm gonna get dressed and get cute. I might take myself out on a date. These are these here. Super cute little kitten heel tees. Okay. Giving me very much pastor's wife. Okay. You see it? I see it. So this here, it came damaged, like with scuff marks and stuff. So I'm contemplating whether I want to return this. It's not too bad, but for it to be my first time like buying shoes online, it's not really what I expected, but they're still cute. Again, size 11. Pastor wife tees. Period. Yes, amen. These are my favorite, I'm not gonna lie. We have a nude shoe, and as you see, like I went more for like the square because in my mind I felt as though because it's more square, it's going to support the ball of my feet or like the width of my feet because they're so wide, rather than it being narrow. So that's really why most of my shoes are in like this square shape. I think they say mule heels. Girl, I don't know nothing about shoes, okay? I just knew they was cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and try these on, starting with the first pair, all the way up to the end, and really just give my feedback and let you all know if it's worth purchasing from Higo. Okay. So I went ahead and just repositioned myself on the floor. I feel like this is a little, I don't know. I feel like I'm on FaceTime. We on FaceTime, y'all. So I'm finna show y'all my shoes. I'm gonna try them on. Okay. Before I show y'all my feet, I need to make sure they ashy. Not ashy, I need to make sure they're not ashy. Okay, so, period. I feel like these are really, really cute, super comfortable. They slip right on. With it being a size 11, I do have like enough room here at the front, as well as having enough room in the back. Wide feet friendly. Yes, ma'am. White, same effect. They're most definitely easy to slip on. They're very comfortable. Let me make sure none of my other shoes are damaged, because if more than one shoe is damaged, I'm most definitely gonna return it. But like I said, super comfortable to put on. Period. You gotta wiggle them a little bit. Y'all finna be outside.
You wanna know where I'm at? We outside!
That's where we at. And I'll make sure my toes painted because I got some new shoes. So these white ones are super, super cute. Same as the nude ones, of course. A lot of room in the front, some room in the back. Same here. I approve this message. Yes. Next, we have the black heels. And I need to figure out how to put this on. So, bear with me, please. And we just tie them. Y'all, these look so good. Ooh, if only my shoes, my toes are painted. Look at this ghetto-ness. So ghetto, like, girl. Okay, they are super, super cute, very comfortable. Like I had mentioned before, most of my shoes are like square here, and because it supports this, like it doesn't hang off on the sides like too much, if that makes sense. These are super cute. Period. Yeah, girl. These are super cute. The length of the heel here, like they don't hurt. Maybe like after a long period of time, yeah, but they're super comfortable, super cute. Hopefully I put them on right, but most definitely wide feet friendly. So next up we have the pastor's wife. Okay, period. I'm kind of skeptical because it looks like it's really tight around here, so I'm not for sure if it would stretch. Again, just like the black shoe, it is square around here, so it should have the same effect when it comes to the width of the feet. But as in terms of this here, we're going to see. Oh, hold on, hold on. Period. These are cute. Looking down, I don't know if I'm really like a fan for real. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. They do fit for sure. I really think the bulkiness here, like it just kind of looks bulky there. So I mean, they're not bad. It just kind of looks weird in my perspective when I look down, but you know, most definitely going to church tees. Very, very cute. Yes. Still have enough space in the back here. Still have enough space in the front as well. We have this here. This is so cute. These are so cute, y'all. We're gonna try these on. I feel like we shouldn't have any problems. Again, you see that they are square. So, yeah. Let me make sure these are not damaged. These are cute as shit. These are cute. You all can see. Oh, yes. Yes. Period. These are super cute, super comfortable. Honestly, all of them are really, really comfortable. But these are cute. These are cute. Yes. Size 11 all the way. I would most definitely continue to purchase the size 11. I can't wait to take pictures of these. Yeah, super cute. All right, y'all, so that was my thoughts as well as my impressions of Ego's shoes. The only thing about Ego, they don't specify if it would be wide fit or not, so you're really taking your chances. I took my chances, and they most definitely fit well with me purchasing a size 11 because one of my shoes came damaged. 9.8 out of 10 because I'm still gonna wear them. I'm still gonna wear them, and I believe I'm gonna keep them, although they did kind of look a little weird. I'm gonna keep them. Much support, especially with the heels not being super long, and with the support of this here. I feel like this most definitely played a role because it's not too narrow. Your feet, they're not spilling on the sides. And whenever I order open-toe shoes, I always order a size up because I don't want my feet looking like this. That's not cute. That's not cute. And I don't want my feet hanging off on the side. I mean in the back. That's not cute either. So I went ahead and ordered a size up. I personally enjoyed trying on the shoes as well as making this video. Comment below any websites that support wide feet. I know there are some websites that I want to try myself, such as Simi Shoes. So if you guys have ordered for Simi Shoes, please let me know your thoughts in the comments before I place the order. Knowing me, I might place the order ahead of time, but other than that, most definitely give your thoughts of the videos, what you think of the shoes, and if you have any suggestions on where else to shop. Other than that, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.